Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. First, open the Cloudstream app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving to the next step. Once you are on the main screen, look for the Settings option. It is usually shown with a gear icon. Tap on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Extension section. Tap on Extensions to open it. Here you will see the options related to managing extensions in Cloudstream. Now, tap on the Add Repository option. This will open a new screen where you can enter the details of the repository you want to add. You will see a field for the repository name. You can type the name of the repository if you know it, or you can leave it blank if the name is not required. Below that, you will see a field where you need to enter the repository URL. To find a safe and trusted repository URL, open your browser and go to Cloudstream Wiki. Cloudstream Wiki is a trusted website where you can find official and community extension repositories. On the website, you will see the repository name and its URL. Copy the repository name and the URL from Cloudstream Wiki. Then go back to the Cloudstream app. Paste the name into the name field and paste the URL into the URL field. After that, confirm or save the repository. The app will then add the repository, and the extensions from it will become available. Thanks for watching.